Hot dog.
What's this?
Wow, Mr. Ben's hot dogs.
A big hot dog!
Have one? Mr. Ben, 2 hot dogs, please.
Okay. Two hot dogs.
Can you say hot dog? Yes, hot dog.
Hot dog. A man is making a hot dog. Sausage.
Sausages? Yeah, sausages! Doug? Doug! He is roasting sausages! Sausages! Can you say sausages? Yes, sausages.
Sausage. Sausage slices. Strawberry.
Kids, let's eat strawberries.
Wow, strawberries! Wow! The strawberries are yummy! Can you say strawberry? Yes, strawberry.
Strawberry. A girl is washing strawberries. Cucumber.
Wow, cucumbers! I like them. Cucumber juice first. And some cucumber slices. Cucumber juice. Yummy!
Can you say cucumber? Yes, cucumber.
Cucumber. A girl is washing cucumbers. Yo-yo.
Wow! The yo-yo can climb up! James, you are so cool! Thanks, Casey! Wow, it's so fun! James, can you teach me? Sure. It's spinning! The yo-yo moves so fast! Can you say yo-yo? Yes, yo-yo.
Yo-yo. A man is playing with a yo-yo.
Repeat after me.
hot dog. Eating 2 hot dogs. Sausage. Eating a sausage. Strawberry. Washing a red strawberry. Cucumber. A sausage and a cucumber. Yo-yo. Playing with a purple yo-yo. Bubble.
Look, bubbles. A big bubble. Yeah, so many bubbles. Colorful bubbles. Look, I am in the bubble. Wow, we are in the bubble. Can you say bubble? Yes! Bubble.
Bubble. A girl is catching bubbles. Sit. 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 Good dog. Sit. Good dog.
Wow, the dog sits down. It's smart. Can you say sit? Yes, sit.
Sit. Sit. Sitting on leaves. Run.
Hey, Mr. George! What are you doing?
We are a run club. We run every day. Do you want to run?
Is running fun?
Yes, of course.
Let's run!
Great!
Can you say run? Yes, run!
Run. A dog is running. Lake.
Daddy, Mommy, look! What's that?
What?
Here!
Wow! A lake!
A lake?
Yes, that's a big lake.
Can you say lake? Yes, lake.
Lake. Lake. Boat.
nice! I love rowing boats.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream.
Daddy, look! A duck boat.
Oh, it is a lovely duck boat.
Can you say boat? Yes, boat.
Boat. A paper boat.
Repeat after me.
Bubble. Blowing big bubbles. Sit. Casey is sitting. Run. Running in a circle. Lake. Walking by a lake. Boat. A paper boat. Two boats.
You are great!